Autonomous vehicles are among the top 15 futuristic vehicles that seem like they belong in a science fiction movie. What are they? Simply put, they are vehicles that do not require human drivers. While there are some examples of autonomous vehicles, the technology and development behind them are constantly evolving. Using cameras, sensors, and AI, autonomous vehicles can navigate roads and avoid obstacles without the need of a human driver. Some models can even communicate with other autonomous vehicles to prevent collisions and congestion. One of the benefits of autonomous vehicles is the potential impact they could have for elderly or disabled individuals who are currently unable to drive. However, as with most vehicles on this list, there are downsides to autonomous vehicles. While they could be more cost-effective and efficient for delivery, public transportation or taxis, there is a risk of job loss for drivers or other staff. Additionally, cybersecurity is a huge risk, as a hacked autonomous vehicle could have disastrous consequences. Furthermore, there are various ethical and legal issues surrounding autonomous vehicles in the event of a crash. It's clear that autonomous vehicles still have a long way to go.